Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy K Slay, Sleazy, Corey, whatever you want to call me. Back on the video today. You're going to watch me attempt to lay my lace wig down. She a little synthetic. I got her off Amazon. I'll put the link down below. She used to be like 24 inches, but I chopped her into a bob just for maintenance. I was getting stressed out. But let me just get right into what I'm doing. So, excuse me, I already put my mousse. I used the Lotta Body mousse just to like get the flyaways laid down, get out the way. I use a brown wig cap right now, whatever, I'm doing like a glueless method because I don't want to really install it. So what I took was the Gorilla Glue. It's my sister. Shout out to her. I stole it. She like couldn't use it. And I would do it in sections. So start it in the front, did a nice section of the front of my hairline, put the lace down where I wanted it, so it matched up with my natural hairline, and then smoothed it out with the back of a comb. And then just did the same thing to the sides. Just took a nice amount of the Gorilla Glue, did a section on the side, laid it down, and then took the back of the comb, kind of smoothed it over so it looked like my actual hair. You know, I'm Storm, Aurora, X-Men. That's my name. Get it right. And now I'm taking my handy dandy blow dryer in a second, because what I'm about to do is I'm about to blow it on cool. I think like the highest setting on cool. Whatever. Just know I'm about to blow it on cool. That way, excuse me, like all the other people that do hair, they say it just like makes it really tacky. And then once it dries down, it won't really budge too much. So I'm just following what I see, what I learned. I'm learning still. I'm a beginner. I'm a baby at this, so don't drag me. If y'all see lace, mind your business. And I found it easier, like as I was blow drying it, to take like my finger or my comb and like hold it down, press it in some more. And then now I'm just gonna take my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder, and I use it to try to lighten up the lace and the scalp, so it looks natural. I just took my finger and blended it out heavily so it looks like my natural scalp. And that was, that pissed me off so much. When I saw that lace lift right there, I was pissed. And then I had to go off and fix it. But I ended up taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette and taking two of those shades and kind of blending it in before the headline. My hairline, excuse me, my forehead. It's time to flat iron burnt pussy lips. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I have it on like probably 325. I think I had it on 325. And I'm just going through section by section. I'm not a professional. I barely know what the hell I'm doing, but I was just going section by section. I think I put a little bit more mousse in it to keep, like I said, the flyaways down. And then as I go in section by section, I take my little wig brush and brush it out, get the nice sleek look. And then the part I hate the most, which is the hardest, which is the edges. I had to like kind of search for them within the hairline, so I kind of took my finger, did a little trick, pulled them down. And I'm just securing them. Same thing with the Gorilla Glue, or attempting to. Right here, I was just kind of messing around. I was trying to give like, you know, a bob, right? But you know how the hair kind of like flips over itself. I was trying to give something like that, but it wasn't giving. So I just said, fuck it, let's try the edges. So I'm going into my edges. Now it's time to lay them joints down. Take your little bandana and slay them edges down, poo. Period. Also, before we get into this real nasty, cunty down boot session, this is a message saying I need everybody to stay home, please, because anybody got time for this COVID-19 corona stuff, and I miss going outside. I miss going outside. So can we stay home? And this is not a game. It's not a joke. As far as it's dangerous, stay home. Stay your ass home.
Shake my ass back on the song. I don't have Corone. Pull. Pump the beat. How you doing?
here we have, this is the final look. It's not the best. I'm still learning. But, I mean, A for effort. And she's still cute, you know what I'm saying? I'm still going to serve her or whatever. But until next time, catch you next video. Bye. Mwah.